Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Roland AIRA T-8 beatmaker and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now there's kind of two reasons you're going to want to do this. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with this thing not working right, or if it's not following the protocol or configurations you set for it, if you're getting any weird sounds out of it, a hard reset can fix a lot of these issues. Now, any configurations, presets, settings, and stuff like that you've got on it are going to need to be redone because it's going to be restored to its factory out-of-the-box defaults. And that's the second reason you might want to do this. If you're selling it or buying a used one, or just whatever reason you want to get a fresh start, like you just took it out of the box and have all the configurations back to their factory defaults, we can do that real easily. All we need to do is we're going to make sure it's turned off, and then we're going to come over and we're going to press and hold this slide right button, the button that's all the way on the bottom on the right. Just press and hold it and turn it on. And then when you turn it on, it should say up here on the display FACT, fact, for factory, and this accent light should be blinking. And so if you want ready to do it, you can still cancel out by hitting anything else. But if you come in and hit that accent light, that will confirm the accent button. That will confirm the reset. It will go through a reset, and then when it's done, it will say DONE up here, showing you that the reset has been done and it's restored to its factory default settings.